Wonderful to see all your faces. And this has been quite a fun-filled summer camp, isn't it? బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారా సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్? మరి సైలెంట్గా ఉంటారేంటి? వెరీ గుడ్. రైట్. So today is the last day of the summer camp. You're all sad or you're all happy? You are happy that it is closing? No, sir. Right. Okay. How many? Right. How many of you have enjoyed the swimming? Hey, swimming andariki nachinda? Good. How many of you have enjoyed painting? Very good. Okay. Hey. Sit down, everyone. Be quiet. I'll just speak few words and then I'll close it. Okay? Then we will give you certificates. Now, children, this has been a fun-filled summer camp and you are our first batch. Now, when you came here, you were all with cryings and some of the small children are, they were very annoying, yet they were very, very beautiful. Even in their crying, they were very sweet. So we had a lot of good children. We had a lot of beautiful ones who used to come every day in spite of their parents' forcefulness. Yet they came and they enjoyed every day of the summer camp. We are glad that you are here. We are excited because you are our first faces and for this summer camp. You know that we have begun this Genesis International Montessori School this academic year. And this is a school that would cater to the needs of the pre-primary school children till UKG. And for the next academic year, we will also upgrade it to 1 to 7th. And so, having said that, we are also excited because we are going to take it step by step. And we are also excited for having these children. And since this is the beginning summer camp, we will be having these summer camps every year. So whenever you come here, if you are in this town, you can always come down here and join your children for every summer camp. We would love to have your children and provide whatever the needs that they have, both academically and recreationally. So I want to thank all the parents who have come here, all the parents who have supported us, parents who have joined us, joined their children in this, in this school, having seen the effort that every teacher is putting. It is not easy to control the children. I think you have seen that now. It is not easy to have the children sit down. It is not easy. మీరైతే ఒక్కరు ఇద్దరు పిల్లలకే బుర్రంతా పేలిపోతుంది, అయిపోయింది కదా. ఒకరిద్దరు పిల్లలతోనే అమ్మో నాయన ఏంటి వెళ్తాను. Imagine 2 teachers dedicatedly handling these children for the past 24-25 days. ఇద్దరు టీచర్స్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలిగారనంటే ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. And you can see all that commotion now. Right. So it is understandable. Kids are sweet and they are very, very, intriguing. They are very special. They are very creative. I think kids have learned a lot of things like painting, craft work. They have enjoyed in the swimming. They have participated in the dance. I have this, where is the Fluffy? We have this kid, Ram Charan. Look at that boy. He's like Ram Charan only, just going around the world. Good. He has just come recently and you will not believe he would not enter that doorstep. అడుగు కూడా పెట్టడు లోపల, ఏడుస్తూనే ఉంటాడు. బట్ లుక్ ఎట్ నౌ, జస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఎ ఫ్యూ డేస్ హౌ గుడ్ హీ ఈజ్. కొద్ది రోజుల్లోనే చూడండి ఎలా మారిపోయాడు. రైట్ రామ్, యు వెరీ గుడ్ గాయ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎ బ్యాడ్ థింగ్. మొబైల్ ఇచ్చి కూర్చోబెట్టి మాట్లాడించడం రాంగ్. ఓకే, సో we thank all the parents, students, God bless you. And every year, hey, look at me, ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఇక్కడ సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ జరుగుతుంది. And all of you can come, and I know you have good time. We have taught them music, the basics of the keyboard. We have also taught them spoken English, the basic spoken English, and of course the higher standard children have learned better. And so we will have more and more fun games and more of academics also. And so they will have a good, a recreational activity every summer. So please send your children. And I also request every other parent who have come here, say we have started this school till UKG. So we have even daycare and pre-primary and nursery, LKG and UKG. So if you have parents who are looking for a good school, you can refer them here to this school. And we are going to have a lot of activities. We're going to have a play zone in that area. We're going to have mountain climbings here. So we will have a lot of activities. Everything will be under surveillance. And so you will have a secured, a protected school. And not only that, you have an international curriculum taught in this campus. ఈ క్యాంపస్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కరికులం అనేది చెప్పబడుతుంది. సో యూ కెన్ రిఫర్ యువర్ నియర్ అండ్ డియర్, యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, యువర్ రిలేటివ్స్, యువర్ నైబర్స్, ఎనీవన్ హూ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఎ గుడ్ స్కూల్, డ్రాప్ దెమ్ హియర్ అండ్ వీ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ అండ్ వీ విల్ గివ్ దెమ్ ద బెస్ట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ children, and thank you parents for trusting us and bringing your children here for this summer camp. Thank you once again. God bless you all.
Now we will have gifts for you. Okay, certificate and one gift for you. Next, everybody, thank you so much. From first day onwards, now 25 days completed, right? 25 days finished. Are you enjoyed? Everybody? Which day you like? Yeah, I know. Swimming day. Everybody likes swimming. Next, painting, craft work, everything. Fireless cooking. Everybody. Music, spoken English class, everything. You like mathematics class, reasoning class, next dance class, everything, right? You all enjoyed, right? Next year onwards, next year we will keep so many activities. So wait for May 1st, okay? Everybody 2026, again May 1st, we will enjoy again, okay? Everybody, I want to thank every parent here, and I want to thank Sweta ma'am. Really, she encouraged me, she supports me. I want to thank, come, Roman. I want to thank Roman Anna. Everybody, clap, Roman Anna. You all like Roman Anna, right? Thank you. I want to thank, where is Manga, and I want to specially thank my husband, because without him, I am nothing. He encourages me, he supports me, and everything. Everybody, thank. Lionel, I want to thank everyone, everybody, each and every student here, around 50 members in this summer camp 2025. 2025 this year, around 51 students joined. I want to thank every 51 students, each and every 51 students. I want to thank my daughters also, and everybody. Okay, thank you. Now we will announce the name one by one. Come here, take the certificate and everything. Don't go. we will take last we will take one group photo, then we will go disperse. Okay. Okay.
Ram Chetan. Come, Ram Chetan. Da, Nana. Satvik. Come fast. Come fast. Come. Madam, మీరు తీసుకొని రండి. H. Srinivas. మేడం ఒక్క నిమిషం ప్లీజ్. సాన్వి లక్ష్య సరియు. జాన్వి రెడ్డి. Tell to them wait. Okay, ఫోటో తీసుకుంటాము. శివకార్తికేయన్. శ్రీలేఖన. శివకార్తికేయన్. శ్రీలేఖన. జ్ఞానవి. జ్ఞానవి. గునీత్. Stand here. Mohit Sai. Yes, Mohit Sai. Kirtisha. Come. Kirtisha, come. Kirtisha, come. Hitesh Reddy. Amruta, come. Amruta, come. Amruta. B. Sanvika. Is this Sanvika absent? తనీష్. 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 వైష్ణవి జైత్రి. వైష్ణవి. వైషు. నెక్స్ట్ ఎం లోహిత్. నెక్స్ట్ పి సహస్రశ్రీ. సహస్రశ్రీ. ఎల్ మిథున్ వికాస్. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్యా సార్. లాస్యా సరుణ్. లాస్యా. మిథున్ వికాస్. నెహాన్ సాయి. నెహాన్ సాయి. పూర్ణచంద్. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్యా సరుణ్. డి బ్లెస్సీ. ఎస్ భరత్. 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 లైన్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ లైన్. యు ఆల్సో కమ్. భరత్. భరత్. జశ్వంత్. మీనాక్షి. రామశ్రీ. మీనాక్షి. బాన్విక లక్ష్మి. బాన్విక. బాన్విక. బాన్విక లక్ష్మి. బాన్విక. డి సహస్ర. డి సహస్ర. ఖుషి ఖుషి బాయ్. బుక్ ఇస్తారు. ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్, వి విల్ ఫోటో.
Everyone, I am Deepthi, mother for Amrita and Akshita. So I am a working mom. So basically, I have come here for summer vacation for my kids. So when I got to know there is a summer camp here, I opted here just because I am very much occupied at my work, so that my kids can get engaged here with some fun activities. So that was my only expectation. But day by day, I could see like my kids were more interested to come here. So they liked everything here. I could see there are different age groups of people here. So they started mingling with everyone, and they keep telling me so many things. Especially they like the swimming class and the painting class and dance. So these are the three things which they mentioned. So instead of getting them addicted to gadgets, I felt this is a very good one to engage them in daily. So I really liked it. All the best to you, ma'am and sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I like summer camp.
మీకు తెలిసింది, మీకు
Yeah,
నచ్చింది
I like
రెండు
swimming.
ముక్కలో చెప్పండి, పర్లేదు.
I like painting. I like dancing.
పేరెంట్ ఎవరైనా సరే. ఎనీ పేరెంట్? తెలుగులోనే చెప్పండి. పేరెంట్స్ కమ్. మ్యామ్ రండి. మ్యామ్ పర్లేదు రండి, రెండు మాటలు.